Wow. Holy cannoli. Oh my goodness. Hello friends. Welcome to Tuesday/Thursday's video, kind of. Somebody has spoiled me yet again. They didn't sign the gift receipt on Amazon, but thank you so much to whoever my Secret Santa is this year. Yes, so I have some new molds that I'm super excited to try out and see how they work. First of all, I'm so happy to see these. If you saw last week's videos, I was trying to do some ornaments for the Christmas tree. And on Thursday's video, I had snowflake ornaments that were not quite what I was hoping for when I ordered them. However, these are very much what I'm hoping for and excited for as well. They are gigantic. I mean, I have very small hands, but holy crap. Like, you could almost use this as a Christmas tree topper, you know? So, set of 4 of these. I think, are they just Xmas winter decoration? Okay. I was wondering if maybe there was a way to make them into coasters, like that's what they were meant for, because they are, I mean, technically you could make this into a coaster. I don't know, we'll test it out. So, I am going to be making 2 of these today, and then for Thursday's video, I'm going to be working on one of these down here, but let me go ahead and show you this set as well. I'm really excited about these. I'm excited about everything, honestly. I just love trying new molds and seeing how terrible I am at them. Let me grab some scissors because I don't even know where this opens at, so we'll just try and cut into it. This is Christmas trees. Oh, it's so cute, the little ones. Okay, sorry for the crinkling. My apologies. So you get 4 molds in this set. And they're just little, like, Christmas trees. So cute. And you get the same designs in this set. So they're very, very cute. So these will probably be next week, in next week's video, along with another 1 or 2 of these. Let me grab these out. My desk is an absolute wreck, you guys. Maybe I should do a clean and organize with me live stream or something. Motivation. These are so cute. They're a little confusing on first sight, but I promise you, you'll understand once they're made. So, it comes with the ornament and a little stand thing. And so you pour this part, the ornament round part, you pour the stand part, and then you pour individually the 2 pieces. And then, so once this is cured, obviously you demold, this piece is going to slide into here, which is why it's got these 2 little funky feet. And then these pieces clip in to there. So it's a 3D ornament, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different designs. They're very, very cool looking. So I just have to figure out which one I want to do for Thursday, or which 2, sorry, I want to do for Thursday. And then next week I will do 2 more. But yes, I'm super excited for these. So, I mean, spoiler alert for Thursday. I'm going to do an introduction for Thursday as well on Thursday. But So if you saw this video today, you got a sneak peek of Thursday. But anyway, so today I'm going to be doing these, and I want to use glitter in them, obviously. And so I think I'm going to grab my Larissy glitter stash here. I may have a little bit of an addiction to Larissy glitter. I'm not going to lie. Our tree is silver and white and blue. So maybe do those two together. That's a deep blue. I think I like the sea blue better. Let me see if I can hold these up for you guys. So, here is the deep blue holographic, and then this one is the sea blue. So, definitely think I want to stick with that. And I don't have much of this holographic, but I do have quite a lot of this smaller holographic glitter. This I bought, I think, at a scrapbooking convention 10 years ago. What part of I'm a hoarder didn't you guys understand? So as much as I want to add this holographic glitter to it, I think I'm going to stick with the smaller one because I'm already getting the blue in there, the chunky blue. So yeah, I think those are the colors I want to do. Pretty sure, yeah. So that's what I'm going to do for today's video. So it is going to be a pretty quick and easy one. Nothing super complicated about this. You mix your resin, you put your glitter in, you pour it in, and you demold. I don't know what else to say about it. So hopefully you guys enjoy it anyway. And again, thank you so much to my Secret Santa, whoever you are. I'm really excited to try all of this fun stuff out. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's get started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. I'm actually rather excited for this one because this is a mix between today's resin and one of last week's resins. I think the one, the snowflake one. Yes. So, let's see how it came out. I'm so excited. Gonna have a dual tone thing, although it's not gonna blend as much as you would think because obviously the lighter blue was already cured when I poured this darker blue in. Fix that. Wow. Oh, that's so pretty. What do we think, guys? Oh, that's so gorgeous. I love it. Woo! Okay. I honestly gotta say, I think this is probably one of my favorite one of these that I've done. I think it is my favorite one of these I've done. Yeah. Okay. Well, anyway, that is today's bonus unmolding. Alright friends, I know I said I was only going to do 2, but I mixed up enough resin to make all 4. So I'm excited about that. Let's go ahead and start demolding. Wow. Holy cannoli. Oh my goodness. So gorge. And our Christmas tree is up and it's decorated. So I'm going to add these to the tree for the glamour shots. Holy crap. Stunning. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay. You know, I was thinking about these last night after I went to bed. And I was just trying to think of other things that you could do. I think with this starburst, it would be so cool to try a petri dish in it, you know? What do you guys think? Blue is my favorite color, so obviously that's why I went with blue. Also, I mean, not to mention the fact that our Christmas tree is, you know, blue, white, and silver. But man, could you imagine these in like a clear with just beautiful crystals? Got a little bit of excess resin right here, but that's not going to be hard at all for me to take off. Yeah, I am in love with these molds. I think the end product is absolutely stunning. So gorgeous. I think it's going to look amazing on our Christmas tree. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know that I have anything else to say. Thank you to whoever my Secret Santa is. I really sincerely appreciate it. Yeah, these are more like what I wanted than last Thursday. Oh, they're so gorgeous. I can't. Oh my god. The camera's literally not doing it any justice. Seriously. These are just so beautiful. Anyway, I'm going to stop bragging about what a beautiful job I did on these. Anyway, that's today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thanks again so much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.